In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Cash App free overdraft coverage. This is a feature that allows you to make purchases even if your balance is a little low, giving you some extra flexibility with your money. I'll take you through the full process so you understand exactly how to set it up, how it works, and the limits you need to know about. First, to use free overdraft coverage, you need to have a Cash App debit card. If you don't already have one, you'll need to apply for it through the Cash App. Once you have your Cash App card, open the app and tap on the card icon at the bottom of the screen. From here, scroll through the options until you see free overdraft coverage. This feature requires that you have direct deposit set up on your Cash App account. You need to receive at least $300 in paychecks each month through Cash App for the overdraft coverage to be active. Once your direct deposit is set up, you can activate the free overdraft coverage. This will allow transactions to go through even if your account balance is low, up to a maximum overdraft limit of $50. Here's how it works in practice. Let's say your balance is $20, but you need to make a purchase of $60. With free overdraft coverage active, Cash App will cover the difference, approving the transaction and showing a negative balance of $40. Your next deposit into Cash App will automatically repay the overdraft, bringing your balance back to normal. Keep in mind that if a transaction exceeds the $50 overdraft limit, it will simply be declined, so it's important to stay within this limit to avoid issues. Free overdraft coverage is a convenient tool if you occasionally need a little extra to cover a purchase, but it only works with your Cash App debit card and an active direct deposit. By following these steps, you can make full use of Cash App free overdraft coverage and avoid declined transactions when your balance is low.